Nature Coast Technical High School, get ready for the fire and ice 2011 prom with special invited guests, Prophet and Young Trips. Hosted by Slick Rolling to the J Holler. Music by Rock and Rod DJs. The whole school gonna be there. Let go. And we got live performances by Tom G. That's right, live performance by Tom G and a surprise reggaeton artist. For more info, hit us up at facebook.com/Friday Night Prom 2011.
What up, what's real with it? It's the kid Tom G, aka Tommy Guns, and this Saturday, I'm coming to your school all the way from Tampa, Florida. Nature Coast Technical High School. It's going down for the prom, April 2nd, baby. Yeah, man, where my sharks at, man? Everybody gonna be at the prom. The whole school gonna be at the prom, including myself. Where you gonna be at?
I'm there. She said she wanna chill in the ride. I'm there. I got her just to lift the side. I'm there.
For Nature Coast Technical High School, they're having a prom tonight, man. It's gonna be good. I know everybody's gonna be looking good and having